Hi, my name is Lam, and I'm doing the What's New in ASP.NET 5 and MVC6 for my tech briefing. I'm going to tell you why Microsoft started to develop the new version of ASP.NET and the new version of MVC. Because they were trying to move to cloud version, it is totally modular. That means that giving developers more control. I'll talk about this later on. Seamless transition from on-premise to cloud. Open source with contributions, faster development cycles, freely choose your own editor tools, and cross-platform. So there's full side-by-side support. ASP.NET. You can install it into a machine, and then you go to another machine and still work. But you have to put everything in the folder, and it will work in the Windows, Mac, and Linux. It's cloud ready, so you can easily diagnose session state, cache, and configure stuff in the cloud. And there's some good error checking because you don't need to close it, refresh it, and then go back. All you need to go is save it and refresh, and then you'll see it in the browser. The greatest thing that they accomplish is to put MVC, web page, and web API in one simple program. Let me explain how MVC 5 and MVC 4 is a lot different. MVC 5 is on to the left, and MVC 4 is on to the right. First of all, let's what's the same. You have properties, reference, and in all the models view controller because this is MVC. So what's different? You have the www root and you have a dependency. Now we're already used to MVC 4, so I'm not going to talk about that. I am going to talk about MVC 5 a lot. So what is in www root? As I said, that Microsoft was trying to be efficient on trying to deal with the server and client. So they had it separate. You have a server and a client. You can have an HTML page. It will be stick with your in the client, or if you want to do a server, it's in the class. Now we have a thing called dependence, like you actually need this for your website. So we have a project JSON. We have project JSON. First of all, this is what we call packets. Okay, you get every single one of these from NuGet. Microsoft is trying to make this very versatile, but what's awesome about MVC5 is that if you delete this, okay, and save it, this thing goes away and you get start downloading and cache it. But I want it back because it goes back. You see that's how this goes? It will turn back green because you just download it. And so this is very versatile. Look at that. It is very versatile. The last version didn't do that. You know how I said that it was versatile? That means that you can start downloading any package from NuGet. Well, it's even more versatile is because you can make your whole project a NuGet package, whereas anyone can use it. All you gotta do is right click, properties, and hit that, hit produce, output on build, you gotta check that, and hit save. And in your thing, because my name is web application, artifacts, bin, and debug, there's a new NuGet packet for it, for both of these. So all you gotta do is put it on the web, ask NuGet to download it in JSON, and you'd be fine. See? And all you gotta do is put this in there, and you'd be perfectly fine. So let me explain to you the new feature about this. It's somewhat inside MVC4, but a lot relevant in MVC5. Because all you gotta do is save it and refresh it to debug. You save it and you refresh it and it's gone. You see? So there's more features that I can explain, but basically is they're trying to make it more efficient, cloud integration, and that they are very in tune to Microsoft Azure. So you can publish it by doing this or going to www because they're trying to separate the client and server, and and they're doing a bunch of Bootstrap because it comes with it. Browser, Bootstrap, and a lot of things. But yeah, this is the new features of MVC and AES.NET, and I'm hoping to see you again.